Hello everyone. Welcome to my first video about cooking with the Lalivim series. Today I am going to share a nice recipe with you. It is a recipe with chicken stir fry and vegetables. It is a very quick and easy to make dish. Since I had plenty of snow peas from my backyard, I thought why not make a nice stir fry chicken with vegetables. So let's get on to it. The ingredients you need are oil, oyster sauce, crushed chili, chopped onion, chopped garlic, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, salt, and pepper. I will leave the ingredients in the description section below so you can relax and enjoy the show. You can add any vegetables you have in the fridge and make it your own personalized dish. I like to get the color balance right in this dish. Some green, red, yellow, and orange colors. When a dish is vibrant with right colors, it will be nice to look at and it will be so appetizing. As you can see, I've prepared some thinly cut carrots, stripes of red and yellow bell peppers, and snow peas as vegetables. Chicken breast is also cut into stripes. Before I start, this is a kind reminder that if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's start. First, I'm going to cook the chicken. The pan has to be very hot. So, turn the fire to high heat, and when the pan is really hot, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add your chicken by spreading them in the pan so that all the chicken pieces will cook evenly. The idea is not to let the chicken boil in its own juices. When you have the heat to the maximum, the chicken will get cooked in the oil evenly and very quickly. That's why we cut the chicken into stripes. Can you hear the sound of frying chicken? As you can see, there's no juice coming out of the chicken and it is gradually getting brown in color. When all the chicken is brown in color, you can remove the pan from heat and put the chicken into another plate. Now you add another tablespoon of oil to the same pan, add onion, garlic and let it cook for about a half a minute. Then add the dry crushed chilies, sweet chili sauce and oyster sauce and mix all of them together. This won't take much time to cook, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now you can add the carrots and yellow bell peppers while mixing all together. Then add the red bell peppers and the snow peas. Now the idea here is to cook all the vegetables just right, keeping its crunch. Some people boil these vegetables first. That's quite okay, but I like it this way, to have all the vegetables just done and to be crunchy. Now please listen to the sound of stir frying vegetables. Sounds good, huh? It smells really good too. You should have been here. Now look at the colors of this dish. So appetizing, isn't it? Combining all the red, green, orange and yellow. Looks like it is a work of art. Can you hear the sizzling sound of the heated oil? It won't take long to cook all these vegetables like this. You keep all the nutrients by cooking this way. Now let's add the chicken. As chicken is already cooked, all you have to do is add the chicken and give it a good mix. At this stage, I mix the 1 tablespoon of cornflour in 3 tablespoons of water and added gradually to the dish. What it does is combine all these together. Cornflour is a thickening agent. So, when you add cornflour, make sure you don't overdo it. When you can see all the ingredients are combined together, Stop adding the cornflour. Now look at this. It looks amazing, isn't it? The whole kitchen smells really nice too. You can serve this chicken stir fry and vegetables with a bowl of rice, just like this. I'm going to taste it now. It looks really yummy. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. You can make this dish and let me know how you go. If you are new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell button too. If you have any comments or questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section too. Until I see you in another video, bye for now.